Hi guys, just too long I didn't update the Narada batteries. So recently, these batteries the I installed within December 2021. The BMS. This is the BMS is having. Finally back. Keep having problems. This battery keep having alarms and going into red. So I use the software to monitor. It's keep reporting batteries too high, 3.7, 3.8 until 4 volts per batteries for a few batteries. So I bought some new batteries, put it in with this BMS. Still is reporting other batteries which having the high voltage. So I tried to get out to see, but I don't have the skills to do anything. So I took it out, then install this battery balancer, then took it out. I'm using the same cables just route it into here. This is installed today. This 17 cells battery balancers, and hang it here. Today just installed, so it's I still have to monitor how is this going on. Then this works open without BMS. It's just with a balancer. Why I'm doing this? Let me show you guys. I have this one, DC voltage monitor. So it will cut off for everything, all, because they are in parallel. They are all installed in parallel. So when the voltage reach here, I can adjust here. It cut off all the batteries. So I'm quite protected for low voltage. High side will be the charger. So it wouldn't have any problem as long some more I have battery groups. Now I'm having 6. The power is actually distributed, so it will not be concentrated on one batteries. So this is what I have to report today. Then why I'm hanging this way, the capacitor behind, because of the switch, the small switch here. I will switch it off after some days. The LED just turned off, so it is working. It is working somehow. I'm not sure whether it's discharging to other batteries or it will charge up the capacitors and discharge, something like this. So this is the update. The BMS will give me some problems. I'm not going to install BMS, just a balancer will do. Big batteries, I don't think it will need. So there are 2 boards. This is the logic board, I think. No, the logic board, I think. Then there's a second board here, and this is where the power minus in and out batteries. This is to the batteries, negative. This is connected to the positive for it to work. Then this is the temperature sensors. There are 4 temperature sensors. Then the BMS, I think, is here, within here. I believe something here went wrong. I'm not very sure. I believe something here went wrong. And something here, I did measure something here. Something here. This bigger board. Below there are some power transistors inside. You can see power transistors. I measured it. I got 2. I got one is not working, and one diode is not working. So diode on this side, diode not working. So I removed the transistors, installed it, still not working. So I'm giving up this. So giving up this just to show you guys only. Because what Narada internal is using. Okay, can see it clearly. You guys can pause it to have a look. So and here this side, you can pause it, have a look here. Okay, that's it. I think that's it. Nothing much more to report except this one. After 3 years, the battery is perfectly okay. Nothing wrong with the batteries. I measured it all, and I've even used it without the balancer. It works fine. No problem. No problem at all. So in later stage, I mean, seal this all up to prevent the bugs. Seal it, just left the cables. That's it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.